Okay, in the previous video we did a chunky twist out. If you're interested to watch this hairstyle, I'll leave the link in the description box below. But today particularly we're interested in transforming this hairstyle into a puff. Whether it is a teeny weeny afro, long hair. How many of you have tried this hairstyle on short hair especially? Well, this video is going to demonstrate how to do it not only on others but also on your own hair. Hope you enjoy. The gel, brush, elastic hair tie, and bobby pins. My hair is in good condition, moisturized. I'm simply going to follow this gel and smooth all the areas that I want to slip. Well, this gel doesn't give us much hold, so if you had short hair, like very short hair, you would opt for another gel. I think this hairstyle is perfect for an occasion, be it a meeting, an evening out, or a traditional event, or even a bad hair day. Just my opinion. Once the smooth is to my liking, I go in with a brush to smooth the gel properly into the hair. When that is done, I bring my hairband or hair tie, whatever you call it, right at the back of my head, slide it up gently. Since I have short hair, I'm going to stop slightly above the occipital bone. My dear, you're not going to do this as though you have long hair, otherwise some chunks of hair will be pulling out. So followed by tying and using my fingers to gently take the hair tie up till I get the puff to a position that I'm comfortable with. One thing that I love about this hairstyle especially is the illusion that you have a lot of hair. It gives height and volume to your hairstyle. If you don't have access to hair ties, you could simply use cut from an old long stocking. So this is how I use the bobby pins to secure. I think if you had long hair, you'd simply tuck the hair tie in. But since it's short hair, I don't want to take any risks, so from there I simply fluff the hair out, which also helps to disguise the elastic band. And there we are. So that's basically how I do my puff on short hair. So sometimes you may need to set the puff. Make sure that everything is laid just well, even the edges, for those who love slicking edges. So it's about 5 minutes. This was a side puff that I was trying on short hair. So you could also do this style in between your twist out protective hairstyles or wash and go. Teasing it a bit with the left hand fingers enhances the volume and makes it look denser than it really is. I hope this video was helpful in one way or another. Please give it a thumbs up if that's the case, and subscribe if you're new. Bye!